Part 1. Introduction. The Amazon forest, also known as the Amazon rainforest, is a vast, biodiverse region located in South America. It is the largest rainforest in the world, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, which is roughly the size of the United States. The Amazon forest spans 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon forest is home to a staggering array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The forest is also home to many indigenous communities, who have lived in harmony with the forest for thousands of years. However, the Amazon forest is under threat from a variety of factors, including deforestation, climate change, and illegal mining and logging. In this article, we will explore the Amazon forest in depth, including its ecology, biodiversity, cultural significance, and the challenges facing it today. Ecology of the Amazon forest. The Amazon forest is a complex ecosystem that includes a wide range of habitats, from dense, towering rainforest to open, savanna-like areas. The forest is characterized by high levels of rainfall and humidity, with annual precipitation ranging from 1,500 to 3,000 millimeters. The Amazon forest is also known for its incredible biodiversity. It is estimated that the forest is home to between 10 and 15% of all the world's species. This includes over 2.5 million species of insects, 40,000 species of plants, 1,300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals, and 378 species of reptiles. One of the defining features of the Amazon forest is its canopy, which is formed by the tops of the tallest trees in the forest. The canopy is a critical part of the forest ecosystem, providing habitat for a wide range of species and playing a key role in regulating the climate of the region. The canopy also helps to prevent soil erosion and maintain the moisture levels of the forest floor. The Amazon River, which is the largest river in the world by volume, is also a critical part of the forest ecosystem. The river provides water and nutrients to the plants and animals of the forest, and is home to a wide range of aquatic species. Biodiversity of the Amazon forest. As mentioned, the Amazon forest is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. The forest is home to an incredible array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. The plant species of the Amazon forest are particularly diverse, with estimates ranging from 40,000 to 80,000 different species. The forest is home to a wide range of trees, including mahogany, teak, cedar, and Brazil nut trees. It is also home to many different types of fruit trees, including mangoes, papayas, and bananas. The animal species of the Amazon forest are equally diverse. The forest is home to many different species of monkeys, including howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and capuchin monkeys. It is also home to large predators such as jaguars, pumas, and ocelots. Other notable species include tapirs, sloths, anteaters, and armadillos. The Amazon forest is also home to a wide range of bird species, including parrots, toucans, and macaws. It is estimated that the forest is home to over 1,300 different species of birds. In addition to the large and visible species, the Amazon forest is also home to an incredible diversity of smaller organisms, including insects, fungi, and microorganisms. These species play critical roles in maintaining the health and functioning of the forest ecosystem. Cultural significance of the Amazon forest. The Amazon forest has deep cultural significance for Hey guys, next part very interesting. Like this video, please subscribe.